A special CBI team led by Director of the agency Praveen Sood would be arriving in Imphal today to oversee the investigation of the alleged execution of two students, namely Hijam Linthoingambi, 17, and Fijam Hemanjit, 20, whose photos showing their last moment and lifeless bodies laying went viral in social media on Monday. Sources said that the CBI director and his special team would be arriving in Imphal in a chartered flight today under the instruction of Union Home Minister Amit Shah. The information was conveyed to Chief Minister N. Biren by Amit Shah himself over the phone, the sources said. Sharing the information, Chief Minister N. Biren posted on X, in light of the distressing news that emerged yesterday regarding the tragic demise of the missing students, I want to assure the people of the state that both the state and central government are closely working together to nab the perpetrators.